Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access, Connections and Bluetooth. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and wait for the available devices to show. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. So when I do that, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!